Because I got a proper itinerary. We have to follow this one. We will follow that only. Someone wants to change anything, you can do it your own. We don't change any itinerary. Okay? Okay. Now, did I tell you about how many states are in Dubai, UAE? How many states are there? There are 7 states. Have you any idea which are the Emirates? States?
Abu Dhabi is also a state. Sharjah, Dubai.
These 3 Emirates is very famous. Everybody will say that this one. Everybody know these 3 Emirates. What are the other 4 Emirates? That is the challenge.
You tell us.
Hello. Fujairah, Al Kuwait.
You are checking in Google. Fourth one is Ajman. Then 5th one is Umm Al Quwain. 6th one is Fujairah. 7th one is Ras Al Khaimah. These are the 7 Emirates. So in 1971, all these Emirates was a separate Emirates. All was in India. How before 1947, what was the situation in India? How many states are in India? Let me check your general knowledge.
29.
Dubai
Dubai Frame. Sabil Palace. Sabil Palace.
Samir Palace.
So before 1947, what was the position in India? A small kingdom.
Samir Palace या Samir?
Zabil, Z-A-B.
Zabil Palace.
Palace, the Sheikh Palace.
उसको मैसेज कर दीजिए। मैसेज कहाँ जा रहा? हमारा नेट से चल रहा है। यहाँ कौन सी वाईफाई है? तो आपको कैसे मैसेज आया? हमारा नेट चालू, हम बना रहे 900 खत्म। राधा साहब कर दिए, फिर 900 बनाया है, वो खत्म हो गया।
प्लीज कर दीजिए। उनको बोलने दीजिए, टूर इंचार्ज को।
उनको बोलने दीजिए।
अपना
सर एक काम करो सर, प्लीज कोई फ्रेम आने के लिए बोल रहे हैं तो हम वो सभी वाले में आएगा, हम लोग उधर से निकल जाएंगे। उसे उसको बोलो दुबई फ्रेम में आने के लिए। दुबई गोल्डन फ्रेम देखा ना हम लोग, दुबई फ्रेम, उसके बाद हम लोग इधर आ जाएंगे।
हाँ ऑलरेडी बोलिए प्लीज।
So you all are teachers, no?
यस
Your students will be perfect. Teachers are not following time, then how can the students will follow the time? Okay, so 1947 India, there was a separate small kingdom was there in India. And after we got an independence, we became one country. The same way, this UAE was also ruled by British people. Before 1947, there is no resources in Dubai, but still British was ruled. Why? Because when the British people going from London to India, the Asian countries, no, so a lot of pirates attack were there in this area. That's why they made a colony in UAE also. So that time this area was called as a crucial states. And Dubai actual history starting from 1833. Now the present ruling family, they are belonging to Al Maktoum family. Al Maktoum. So these people now they were staying in Abu Dhabi and they are calling us a Bedouins. Bedouins, how their life, they will be moving from one place to another place as a group. There will be one leader and he will be the leader. The others will be following the leader. Wherever the water is available, they will be settling there. Another group will move from there. Another leader will take these people to another place. The same way, these people move from Abu Dhabi to Dubai and they settle initially in Upper Dubai. Ur means main. Ur Dubai, main Dubai. So they settled in 1833 in Dubai. From there onwards, that city has extended. That time the population in Dubai was around 1,100. In 1833, the population in Dubai was 1,100. You know what is the present population in Dubai? 3.7 million. But total UAE population is approximately 10 million. In this 10 million, only 10% is the UAE local people. Rest is other nationalities. There are nearly 200 different nationalities other. But in these 200 nationalities, we Indians, that I told you, we Indian 35-36% are Indians. 36% are Indians only. Then Pakistanis, Bangladeshi, then other nationalities are. So 1833s, they have settled in that Dubai area. That time their main business was pearl diving, camel trading, dates. These are the main business of these UAE people. slowly, they have expanded the city, and then they have gone outside for the trading also, they go to other places. This is a very good hub. Because wherever people going from, if the people are coming from London, US or anywhere, and when they are going to Europe and the Asian countries, they are always crossing through this UAE border only. So that's why it's became very popular hub. Once 1947 that British people left from India, slowly they have moved from this area, two Ocean states also. So that time all 7 emirates were separate. In 1971, there was a ruler in Abu Dhabi, his name is Sheikh Said bin Sultan Al Nahyan. So what he did, he spoke to all the emirates, and they became one country, United Arab Emirates. So why they made it? Because only Abu Dhabi was a big country. Abu Dhabi was a big state. 95% of the total UAE land is occupied by Abu Dhabi. Dubai is occupied by 4%. Rest all the emirates, very small portion, small emirates. So if they are in separate countries, they don't be very strong. So that's why they spoke to other emirates and they became one country, United Arab Emirates. Now we are going to the present ruler, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. He is staying in palace, Sabil Palace. So we are going to the palace. We won't be able to go inside the palace. There is a parking area. We will be parking there. You can go and take picture from outside, and we will go to Dubai front. Yesterday we were passing through that. Have you seen the frame? No, that
Colorful,
we'll go there to
flowerful
the
roads.
Photoshop also. We'll stop here. 20 minutes you have. So you can go to the entrance gate, until the entrance gate, take the photograph and come back to the bus. Okay? So the name also, his name, the Dubai ruler name is Sheikh, he signed as Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. Sheikh Muhammad is his name. Bin Rashid means son of. Bin Rashid son of. Al Maktoum is the family name. And Abu Dhabi ruler name is also same only, Muhammad only. He signed as Sheikh Mohammed bin Said, son of Said. Al Nahyan is the family name.
They are family members.
No.
They are different family. Nahyan is the Abu Dhabi ruling family. Maktoum is the Dubai family. Dubai ruling family.
Some person told me that when
Excellent.
क्या कहते हैं
Burj Khalifa.
Burj Khalifa was made at the help with the Abu Dhabi kingdom.
I will tell you the history also.
Initially, at the time of construction, the name of that building was Burj Dubai. So in 2007-2008, there was a recession happening all over the world. And in that period only, almost all the construction, the main construction in Dubai has completed. Burj Khalifa, Dubai Metro, Palm Jumeirah. So Dubai also in a big bad position. So Abu Dhabi has given the fund to Dubai government. As a respect, they have given. At that time, Abu Dhabi ruler name was Sheikh Khalifa. So that's why this building they have given the Burj Khalifa. Okay, when you are going there are 2